In this video, I will tell you how to transfer money from WWise to Maya. So first, what you need to do is open your WWise account and tap on the send button. From here, enter the amount you'd like to transfer. For example, let's say you want to send 500 Philippine pesos. You'll also see options to select how you're paying, schedule the transfer if needed, and check the fees. Once that's set, tap add recipient. Next, choose enter bank details. You can send to yourself, someone else, a business, or a charity. In this case, let's select myself. If you haven't saved recipient details before, you'll need to set them up first. To do this, go back and tap recipients, then choose add recipient. Pick the currency, here Philippine peso, and then select enter bank details. Instead of choosing a local bank account, tap on e-wallet. Fill in the account holder's name and select the provider. Since we are sending to Maya, choose Pay Maya from the list. Now enter the recipient's e-wallet number, which is usually their registered mobile number, along with the full name on the account. Tap confirm to save these details. Once the recipient is added, go back to the home screen, tap send, and select that recipient. Enter the amount, review the details, and complete the transfer. That's all it takes to send money from Wise to Maya. Thanks for watching.